Steve Cohen's story is a classic tale of ambition and success. Growing up in a middle-class family in Great Neck, Long Island, Cohen was always fascinated by the world of wealth. Influenced by his wealthy grandparents, he aspired to a life of luxury, far beyond his family's means. As a young man, Cohen discovered his knack for poker, a game that taught him the essentials of probability and risk management, skills that would become invaluable in his future career. While still in college, Cohen landed a job at Grunthal & Company, a modest brokerage firm. His talent for trading became apparent quickly. Under the guidance of his boss, Ron Eisner, Cohen made a significant profit on his first trade, showcasing his intuitive grasp of the stock market. Cohen's trading style was unique. He wasn't just another trader, he was an intuitive genius. He could read market movements with an uncanny ability, often described as a tape reader. This skill allowed him to anticipate market trends and capitalize on them, making him a star trader. During the mid-1980s, Cohen made millions by trading around mergers and acquisitions. However, his real test came during the 1987 stock market crash. While many were devastated, Cohen navigated the turmoil, maintaining his position as a top trader. But the crash also made him realize he wanted more control over his destiny. In 1993, Cohen founded SAC Capital with $23 million, including $10 million of his own money. His hedge fund quickly grew, becoming one of the most profitable firms on Wall Street. Cohen's success wasn't just luck. It was a result of his disciplined approach to risk management and his ability to stay detached from emotional decision-making. However, success came with scrutiny. SAC Capital faced legal challenges, including accusations of insider trading. Despite these setbacks, Cohen avoided criminal charges and continued to thrive in the financial world. Today, Steve Cohen runs Point72, a family office that continues to invest in various ventures. Despite the controversies, Cohen remains a legend in the trading world, known for his audacious bets and immense success. Inspired by this story? Follow the link in the description and start trading today.